Okay, we're going. What are we doing, Siege?
Instructions.
Doing random words, find, mix and make, make
Okay.
your own.
Prepare the.
I have to put the other SD drive in here. Ooh.
Wow.
I have to put the other SD drive in here. There's only 27 minutes on here.
Is that free?
Yeah.
What is it? Oh, slime.
Slime.
Mom, Reagan and me were just snuggling.
Aw. Alright, now we gotta rock and roll.
I think this is all of the glitter.
This is glow in the dark powder. Don't know what.
No, this
Yep.
is borax.
That's
We
borax.
dipped.
I don't know what.
We dipped.
I think it's just like extra stuff to
I
go in
know,
it
those are like beads to go in it.
and colors.
I'm a slime expert. Glow things. I think this.
Something smells like eggs. Just saying. Like that vinegar smell.
This smells like vinegar.
Yeah.
This is
that egg
slime
smell.
glue. Okay.
Slime glue, slime glue, slime glue.
Some
So slime glue.
glitter. Borax.
Here's your spoon.
I think this is like food coloring or
Yeah.
paint. Step 2. Add a spoonful of borax into warm water and stir it. Just one thing.
Is it one of these little cups? Maybe? Or the big one?
Do we have to add like these exact things so I can even change it up a little?
Well, you need borax and slime glue. Oh, look. I still have leftover henna on my hand.
Very interesting. Add a spoonful of borax into warm water. Oh, so we just as much water as we want. I think we need a little bit more.
A little bit more? Okay. Oh, look. You got okay in this plastic bag. That looks gross. Oh, oh. Let it spill everywhere. Here, wait. I think that's good. Okay. Nope.
Your water by 1 and 2. Radio report.
Here.
Just add it.
Here. Use the spoon to mix it.
I think we need a little bit more. No,
Okay.
I think that's good. I'm a slime expert. Do not worry.
It's already
So
turning
then
into
I
something.
can.
Here.
Then
Is
I
this
can,
more than one? Here.
then I can like choose my color. Choose your color.
And so yeah, I added more than one spoon of everything.
Yes.
Here. I cover up the microphone. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm not really good with doing things left-handed. What are you doing? What you doing over there? It's all clumpy.
I think I know the problem. Let me handle.
No, there's too much in there already.
No, there's not too much. We need more. Don't want to overact.
I know.
I made it pink. Now I'm just going to be trying to get this open.
Gotta smoosh up the clumps of borax.
Oh, I think I know why this isn't doing anything.
You put plastic over it.
No, there's still plastic around the whole.
That's what I just said! It's probably leaking. You don't know how to. It's not even open, dum dum!
But it's leaking. You said it was leaking. Oh, very good. Now let's add the whole thing.
The whole thing of glitter. Then you won't have any glitter left. It's like rainbow silver.
What's this? Silver? Oh, Paige. This one is gold, this one is silver, and this one is rainbow.
Mhm.
Unless this one is rainbow. No, I'm silver. Oh, I think we had an epic fail on this one.
Yeah. Oop. One last try with the borax. We can always buy more borax because they didn't give us a whole lot.
DIY fluffy slime.
DIY fluffy slime. Apparently fluffy slime is perfect slime.
5 to 6 Oz each bottle. Clear, glitter glue, or white glue. I want glitter.
This is ounces.
1
Eh.
1.5 cup normal water. Big wide bowl. Liquid watercolor or food coloring optional. Glitter optional, and confetti optional.
It's clump.
Let me test it out.
Yeah, it's clumpy. Does it even feel like slime? It's just clumpy.
The real way to make slime is to get in it with your hand.
That's too much glue. We're gonna run out.
We're gonna be fine. We have 3 of them. Now let's add it. Now let's do this.
Look, it's clumping.
It's making slime. I told you, Paige.
Glue. It's getting clumpy. Look.
You still need more.
Wait, you're gonna have too much glue. That's a lot. Yeah. You got a little bit on my finger.
No. I think we need
Just
to.
a giant clump. Ew.
This is actually like a little slimy. It's actually like a little slimy. Tad bit more.
Tad. Tad. Oh, that's a lot. Mix it up.
It's working.
Yeah.
It's working. I think we still need to mix that in here a little more before we
Yeah.
put it in there, and we can actually mix it with our hands. And
Rainbow sprinkles.
and
I call glitter sprinkles because that's totally what they are. Just tiny little sprinkles with color. Are you done?
yeah, I think we're good.
Yeah. What are your thoughts? I'm waiting.
Now we need to mix it. It is very cheap, I can
Yeah.
tell.
Yeah.
But
I think it was like $10, I think, originally.
for free, it's pretty good.
Yeah. But for originally like $10, what do you think?
Well, if
Is it-
we made it right, then I think we would do good. And if
Yeah.
we actually followed the other directions
Yeah.
on there, then I think we would be good. But since
Oh.
we like stopped following the actual directions like halfway through, I think it didn't.
Yeah. We had like, I think we added too much water originally.
And this
it-
is just becoming clear.
Yeah.
So
Ran out
I'm
of glitter.
going to put
I mean,
that-
there's some pink in there. It does look like paint. Oh, stab. Say bye. Want to say bye?
Bye.